Okay guys, today I want to show you how to make Poki-Poki Garo Rica. Poki-Poki means eggplants and Rica means chili. Poki-Poki Garo Rica is a traditional food from Gorontalo. So, check it out. First, wash the eggplant until it is clean. Second, clean the chili, onion, garlic, candle nut, and tomato. Third, after they are clean, cut the eggplant into manageable size. Fourth, grind the salt, chili, onion, garlic, candle nut, and tomato until it is smooth and can be made into a seasoning. Fifth, pour the cooking oil into the pan and heat until boiling. Sixth, put the eggplant into the boiling oil. Seventh, fry the eggplant until cooked. 8. Take the eggplant out of the oil. 9. Put in the seasoning into the hot oil. 10. After the spice is cooked, put the eggplant into the seasoning. 11. Mix it. 12. After it is mixed, take the food out of the pan, and Poki-Poki or Terong Garo Rica is ready to be served.